Hello students and welcome back to the ETL online class. Today we are going to learn one of the sensor called flex sensor with the Arduino. Means how to use that sensor with the Arduino, how to make the circuit, how to program so that with the help of the sensor called flex sensor we can do something in the circuit. So flex sensor is something like a strip which can bend, and once we bend that sensor the value will change in the circuit and accordingly we can do anything in the circuit. So let's very first select the components that is required for this particular project. So very first we need the sensor itself, that is flex sensor. Let's search out and you'll see how it looks like. It is almost 8 to 7 centimeter long strip like a sensor. And very first we need to select the breadboard because breadboard is required for the connection. Then let's select the other components. One Arduino Uno we are going to select. Then we need the flex sensor, and that you can see now it looks like a strip, and flex somehow coming from the word flexible, so this sensor is flexible. We can bend it, and once we bend it can change some value and we can do something in the project accordingly. Let's select one RGB also so that we can see the change in color in the same LED. We can have two different colors one by one depending upon the condition we are going to give in the program. And we also need resistors for the connection. So I'm selecting two resistors of different values will be taken in different parts of the circuit. We'll see later on. And this is how the sensor looks like. You can see it has two different terminals, that is pin 1 and pin 2. And we'll connect both the parts of this sensor, and you need to understand the circuit, how to use it. So in general, just remember that is this sensor is something like which can change the value of the resistance in the circuit, means which can change the current in the circuit, and that can be done by bending it. So let's see the very first part. We are connecting the RGB. So you can see RGB is connected with the resistor. So the negative of the RGB is connected with the resistor, and that is going to the ground. We always connect the resistor in the with the RGB so that it will not be damaged, and the value of this resistor should be 220 ohm. And now let's take two different colors of RGB and two different pins of the Arduino. So pin number 2 and pin number 3 we are taking for two different colors of the RGB, that is 2 and 3 are connected with two different colors of RGB, and this value we should take 220 ohm, the value of the resistance. Okay, so our RGB is connected. Now we have to connect the sensor in the circuit. So you can see it has two different pins, 1 and 2, and it has nothing to do with the positive and negative. One pin will go directly to the analog input. So any of the analog pins of the Arduino we can take. So we'll take A0 for one of the pin of flex sensor, and second pin of the same sensor will go to pin number ground. So let's go connect it to the ground of the Arduino. So circuit you have to remember, and let's give black color also so that you remember this is the ground wire, so that later on we can take the help of this to connect more parts in the circuit. So I hope the connection is okay. Now next thing is one resistor has to be connected in with the flex sensor, and this resistor should have high value, that is 10 kilo ohm, that you can see also. And this is to be connected with the other pin, the pin which is connected with the A0. Same pin will be connected with the resistor, and now this resistor will go to the 5 volt. So this circuit you have to remember. This way this sensor is connected, and this can read the value, can give different values to the RGB with the help of Arduino. Okay, so circuit is very simple. I hope you understood. And now let's also connect one buzzer. That is, if you want to have some sound also in the circuit after some value and all, you can connect a buzzer also. So here I'm just showing you the basic working of this sensor, and for that I'm taking the help of two different components, that is RGB and buzzer. And you can do anything with the sensor. You can connect any other components in the circuit, and you can think of any project which can be made with the help of this flex sensor. So for the buzzer also we have positive and negative terminal. Positive will go to any of the digital pin, so I've taken pin number 4, and negative will go to the ground of Arduino. So this is the ground line, because we have connected already this line with the ground. So let's connect this with the ground of the buzzer, that is negative of the buzzer. Okay, so we'll give different color also. So the wires are crossing, so to overcome this confusion, let's give this a black color, so that we'll remember one of the color is black, which is ground, another is positive, which is going to the pin number 4 of the Arduino, that is digital pin. Circuit is done. Now we'll go for the programming. Programming is very simple. That is, once we bend the strip, that is sensor, then the value of the resistance in the circuit will change, and based on the value we can make the two different colors of the RGB on and off, and buzzer also can go on and off. So very first we need to select the pins. So pin mode A0 input, that is the analog pin we have taken for the flex sensor, that is input pin. Pin mode pin number 2, then pin number 3 and pin number 4 that we have taken for RGB, and buzzer will be all output pins. So let's copy this and paste and just change the pin numbers, pin number 2, 3 and 4. So this is the first part of the programming. A0 is input and rest are output, that is 2, 3 and 4. 2, 3 are connected with the RGB and 4 is with the buzzer. Now also we want to see the value on the screen. For that we will go for serial.begin also. So that is to be added here. Before we go for the condition, let's add the serial.begin part. Okay, so let's give the value like a float flex analog read A0. So you can see the statement, the line, that is float. Before that let's add, we have to add this serial.begin here, serial.begin 9600 within bracket and then semicolon. Okay, so float is equal to flex is equal to analog read A0, means read the value of the sensor, and that is stored in the new variable called flex. The name is given, and then serial.println flex. So whatever value is recorded by the Arduino should be printed on the screen, that is monitor screen, serial monitor. And then this process should repeat every 1 second, that is delay of 1000 millisecond, that is 1 second. And now we can give the condition, that is if the value of this flex is more than 900, let's one of the color of RGB should be on, other color should be off, and buzzer should also be high. The buzzer should be on. So digital write pin number 2 is high. So whatever pin is connected with 2, that is one of the color of RGB will be glowing. Digital write pin number 3 will be low, that is other color of RGB will be off, and buzzer should also be high. So digital write pin number 4 should be high. Okay, and now we can copy the entire 3 line and paste also for the another condition. So let's copy paste the entire 3 lines in else condition. Okay, so else means just opposite. If the value of this flex that is recorded by the Arduino will be less than 900, then what should be done? So that will come under else, and we'll just reverse. Reverse means we'll just make high low and low high, just change it, make it opposite. So low is high and high is low, means now the color of the RGB will be on, and buzzer should be off, and then the program is ended. So overall the circuit is very simple, and now the only concept is when we are bending the strip, that is sensor, then value will change, that we are able to see on the screen also, that I'll show you. And with the different values we are going to do something in the circuit, that is RGB different color will be on and off, and buzzer should also go on and off. So you'll be able to see the value on the serial monitor at the bottom right hand side. So you can see now the value is printed 767, 767, and the color, one of the color is of RGB is on, and now we'll bend it. So now I'm moving this strip, means it is bending now. You can see the angle change also and the value change also. So now you can see the value is going to 800 something, and still the same color of RGB is on. Keep on bending this. So once we bend, you can see on the serial monitor how the value is changing, and that is the value of the sensor recorded by the Arduino. And I can see the value has gone above 900, that is 907, and you can see different color of RGB has been switched on, and the previous one is off. Buzzer will also produce sound, but it may not be audible this time. So this is a very simple circuit and very simple programming. You can do anything with the circuit, you can modify the circuit, and only thing is you should know, by bending the strip, that is the flex sensor, we can give different values in the circuit, and accordingly we can do anything with the circuit. That is what we have done today. So you'll be able to see when you are bending, you will be able to see change in the value, change in the angle also, and practically also you can bend the strip with your hand at different angle, and with the different angle you will be able to see different value on the screen. That is, different values are recorded by the Arduino, and accordingly we can do anything in the circuit. So I hope you understood how to use the flex sensor with the Arduino. Think of some other project based on the same concept. So for today is done. Thank you. Hari Om, and take care.